In February 2024, after 4 months of creating short-form content, I finally found something that changed my life. This one niche allowed me to quit my job, travel the world, and achieve complete financial freedom. And in this video, I'm gonna give it away for free. But this didn't just work for me, it's worked for multiple students too. Just look at these accounts here, and here. So yes, that's right, I'm giving away the satisfying bowl niche completely for free. Let's take a look at this YouTube Shorts channel as an example. In just 30 days, it pulled in over 90 million views and generated around $15,000 in revenue. That's an insane amount, considering how little effort goes into making this content. So how long does this content take to create? The real work is in setting up the templates, which takes about 30 to 60 minutes if you know what you're doing. After that, it's just changing colors and sounds, which takes less than 10 minutes per video. This creator uploaded only 29 videos in 2 months, which is roughly 10 hours of work total, and he gained 146,000 subscribers and $15,000. That's more than the average monthly salary with just a few hours each month. And here's the best part, I'm going to give you all the templates completely for free, so you don't have to do any of the work. That means you can start creating this content with a fraction of the effort. All you need to do is join my free SKOOL community. Once you sign up, head over to the classroom, click on the satisfying ball niche section, and you'll get over 80 simulation templates, a full tutorial on how to create your own simulations, editing guides and tools to create any melodies of your choosing. But there's more. If this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll also give away my music visualization course for free. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications, because I'll be dropping even more free niches soon.